Allegations of discrimination and harassment by Mizo organizations towards the non-Mizo business community engaged in business activities in Mizoram has recently triggered off angry reactions here in Silchar. The People's Forum for the Protection of Non-Mizos recently took out a protest march. The protest was for lifting the restrictions imposed on non-Mizos businesses in Mizoram. Here's the story. The Mizoram Circuit House in Silchar was turned into a virtual fortress with paramilitary forces forming a security ring around it when thousands of protesters staged a sit-in in front of its gates demanding a meeting with the liaison officer.
একদিকে মিজোরামে মানুষ খুনের রাজনীতি, অন্যদিকে নদীবাদ এবং মিজোরাম সীমান্তে মিজোরাম পুলিশে আগ্রাসী মনোভাব, এই ত্রিকোণ সারাশি অভিযানের বিরুদ্ধে আমাদের বিরুদ্ধে যে ত্রিকোণ সারাশি অভিযান চলছে.
It all began when the likes of the Mizoram Business Organization and the Young Mizo Association decided to put a ban on non-Mizo businesses operating in Mizoram. Since then, reports of non-Mizo businessmen being harassed by these organizations have been surfacing for the past few days, which has not gone down well amongst traders in this part of the world.
গুন্ডারা আমাদের মানুষদের হাত থেকে লাইসেন্স নিয়ে ট্রেড লাইসেন্স নিয়ে ছিঁড়ে ফেলে দেয়। মানুষকে যদি তার ঘর থেকে বের হতে বাই কারফিউ করে, তবে আমরাও সেই পথে অগ্রসর হতে বাধ্য হব। যার দায়িত্ব নিতে হবে মিজোরাম সরকারকে, যার দায়িত্ব নিতে হবে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারকে, যার দায়িত্ব নিতে হবে রাজ্য সরকারকে।
The forum, along with various organizations of the Northeast, including the all-women organization of Manipur, Mira Fabis, joined in the movement as people from every walk of life, including students, took to the streets in support of the cause.
At a time when India is doing its bit to facilitate international trade and commerce with neighboring countries like Bangladesh, the kind of treatment meted out by organizations such as YMA and MBO of Mizoram towards non-Mizo businessmen and business establishments in particular certainly exposes the kind of disconnect that exists within the very framework of India as a nation. With camera person Sumi Sharma, this is Shubhadeep Dotto reporting from the Mizoram House.